Hello everybody and welcome to my video about St Erth Station footbridge. St Erth Station first opened in 1852, originally known as St Ives Road. The name was changed to St Erth when the St Ives branch opened in 1877. The main line was doubled in the 1890s when the down platform and footbridge were added. A granite building on the platform can be seen in this picture. The St Ives trains usually depart from the Bay platform, platform 3. So the footbridge is used by passengers alighting from westbound trains and changing for St Ives. The bridge is also used by day trippers to St Ives who use the park and ride facilities adjacent to the down platform, crossing the bridge for the train. St Erth Station retains a lot of its original charm, least of all the footbridge. It's a Grade 2 listed building. In 2020, Network Rail applied for planning consent to replace the footbridge as part of their quest for modernity and accessibility. A previous application in 2014 had been refused. A number of objections were received by Cornwall Council, some of whom referred to the possibility of adapting the roadway under the railway instead to include a fully accessible subway. You can see the roadway on this map. However, once Network Rail have decided on a course of action, they seldom listen to local views, and planning consent was granted on the 20th of May 2021, subject to the bridge being relocated to a heritage railway site. The bridge has been acquired by the East Somerset Railway and will be moved to Cornwall, near Shepton Mallet, once the temporary footbridge has been erected at the east end of St Erth Station. By the way, you may notice the milk tankers on the right of this photo. They were used to convey milk from St Erth to Kensington Olympia in London until 1982. St Erth Station has a superb independent cafe, which unfortunately wasn't open on my visit in 2022. But if you'd like to buy me a coffee to help me produce future films, please use the link shown here. To summarise then, as soon as Network Rail have installed the temporary footbridge at the east of the station, the present Victorian footbridge will be dismantled and moved to Cranmore. So this summer is probably your last chance to go and see the station in its Victorian splendour. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.